Are you the one?
Hi everyone, I'm Jonas Rامال, Oriflame's Global Beauty Artistic Director. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can drastically change your look by creating a bold lip look using the One Color Unlimited Lipstick. The One Color Unlimited Lipstick comes in 10 beautiful shades. Today, I'm going to use my favorite one. It's the Endless Red, because I always love a red lip. So I'm going to start to apply it using a lip brush, because then you get a precise and professional application. I start on the lower lip, using small strokes to build up intensity and to get the right shape. Then you meet up in the middle with the other side. Remember to never go outside the lip's natural shape, except in one place. Right underneath what we call the pout, just go a little bit outside the lip's natural shape. This will give a more plump effect to the lip. When I'm satisfied with the lower lip, I'm going to start with the upper lip. So using the same technique, starting in the inner corner of the lip, tracing it with small strokes. This is the easiest way to get the right shape to the lip and also to cover all the areas of the lip. Gradually build up intensity. And when I'm done with one side, I start with the other. So starting in the inner corner of the lip, meeting up in the center. This is the best way to actually find the precise shape of your lip. And when you apply it with a brush, you always know you'll have a perfect result, and then it's much easier to just use the stick itself to top off. Just adding a little bit of extra lipstick in the center part of the lip to make it intense. And look how drastically it changes the face. It just becomes so vibrant. The One Color Unlimited Lipstick comes in 10 beautiful shades, so don't be afraid to experiment, because you'd be surprised on how many colors actually suits you.
Are you the one?